Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to use OBS virtual camera in Discord. So firstly guys, to set it up you need to go to OBS. What's mandatory is to enable start virtual camera. Without this you won't be able to send the input and output into the Discord from OBS. After that you can just choose what you wish to stream into your camera in Discord. So I'll just use my desktop capture, it doesn't matter. And you just minimize that, disable that. Now go into your settings, then navigate to voice and video, scroll down until you see camera settings right here, and then under camera, click on a drop down and choose OBS virtual camera. Okay, and now if I go and enter the call, and now demonstrate my video camera, as you can see now it's streaming my, as you can see, desktop. So this is not the real camera, it's just streaming the desktop. And as you notice, I'm not actually sharing my screen. This is my camera that's turned on. So pretty cool, I would say. So that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Pretty simple. If you enjoy our tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe to support us. See you soon.